Here's some stuff you need to know.
We are down in Home Improvement Central today. We're in Fort Worth at the Fort Worth Home and Garden Show. That's at the Will Rogers Convention Center. And I'm going to bring a guest on. You know, when I'm out at home shows, I do like to have guests on. And I got JR from Lonestar Masonry Repair here. And how you doing, JR?
I'm doing good.
One of the things I had a question for you on, you know, a lot of times people are looking at putting, say, a little addition on the back of the house. And to tie it into the house, they'll sometimes want to put like a wainscot of brick around the bottom. Do you do that kind of work?
Oh, unfortunately, we don't do any new construction. We actually do German smears and slurries. Most of the time, the houses have dark brick or some crazy color brick that the homeowners don't like. So they go with a classic German smear, which basically changes the whole mortar to a whiter with
lightens up everything.
Yeah, exactly. And it covers a lot of the brick that they don't want to see.
Okay.
But it still exposes some enough to give it that old German smear look.
My house was built in '73. I got that cheap Mexican brick that was used back then almost exclusively. Is that stuff hard to work with?
Well, believe it or not, on the Adobe, that's what that is, the German smear helps protect it.
Really?
What you're going to do is you're going to be putting a layer of masonry over the brick, and you'll just be letting sections of the brick show through. So if anybody has any questions about that, just go to our website and look at the German smear picture. So once it's on, it won't come off. It's permanent. You could power wash it and it won't do any damage. So with the Adobe brick, it's going to be, I would say, 80% of it covered up. And you get a concrete bonding adhesive that has an acrylic fortifier in it, which is what we add to all of our mortar, because one, we want our new mortar bond to the old mortar. That acrylic fortifier, what it does, it on the sheet where it describes what it does, it literally says it resists. It's resistant to freeze-thaw cycles. So basically, it doesn't let it absorb moisture and then freeze out and crack out the new mortar.
Lonestar Masonry Repair, specializing in residential and commercial brick and stone repair.
Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.